Here we will show you how to assemble a RACATAC with the optional chest support. You will need 1/2 inch and 7/16 wrenches. The first step is attach the seat. Loosen the 1/2 inch nuts on both sides of the seat to allow it to pivot. Move it perpendicular to the seat post with the snap button facing forwards and retighten the nuts. Press the snap button in and insert the seat post into the frame. The second step is attach the frame post connector. Remove the tool tray and then slide the frame post connector over the top of the frame with the snap button holes facing away from the seat. Insert the two 7/16 inch bolts into the seat side of the frame to ensure the tool tray fits later. Add the anti-flip clip. If your RACATAC has 3-inch casters, you will need to remove the red cover on top and use the upper hole. Use the lower hole for the 2-inch model. Tighten the two nuts securely and reattach the tool tray. The third step is attach the chest support. Loosen the 1/2 inch nuts on both sides of the chest support to allow it to pivot. Move it roughly perpendicular to the post with the post snap button facing forwards. Press the snap button in and insert the chest support post into the frame. You can angle the support and move it up and down for the best fit, and then retighten the nuts. Now your RACATAC is ready for use. For additional product information, visit Marshalltown.com.